Hi guys, it's Byron here from ALS Touring Solutions. We've just finished this great 48 volt system in this customer's van that he's building himself. It's running a 3 kilowatt DC to DC Scotty. We have a 3000 VA Multi-Plus Inverter. If we come around the side here, we've got 500 watts of solar on top, and we're feeding that into the 12 volt side. So you can see there we've got 366 watts going into the 48 volt batteries. Now if you just start her up, Michael, straight away we see that power start to increase, and we just idle it up. Look at that. Okay, settling at 1700 watts. Just beautiful. How good's that?